shall be picked out to suffer. Show me that law if you have it. If the position of the court is correct, then half the population of the city ought to be hanged, because they are responsible the same as we are for that act on May 4th. And if half of the population of Chicago is not hanged, then show me the law that says 8 men shall be picked out and hanged as scapegoats. You have no good law. Your decision, your verdict, our conviction is nothing but an arbitrary will of this lawless court. It is true there is no precedent in jurisprudence in this case. It is true we have called upon the people to arm themselves. It is true we told them time and again that the great day of change was coming. It is not our desire to have bloodshed. We are not beasts. We would not be socialists if we were beasts. It is because of our sensitiveness that we have gone into this movement for the emancipation of the oppressed and suffering. It is true we've called upon the people to arm themselves and prepare for stormy times before us. This seems to be the ground upon which the verdict is to be sustained. But when a long train of abuses and usurpations pursuing invariably the same object evinces a design to reduce the people under absolute despotism, it is their right, it is their duty to throw off such government and provide new guards for their future safety. This is a quotation from the Declaration of Independence. Have we broken any laws by showing to the people how these abuses that have occurred for the last 20 years are invariably pursuing one object? To establish an oligarchy in this country so strong and powerful and monstrous as ever before existed in any country? I can well understand why that man Grinnell did not urge upon the grand jury to charge us with treason. I can well understand it. You cannot try and convict a man for treason who has upheld the Constitution against those who would trample it under their feet. It would not have been an easy job to do that, Mr. Grinnell, as to charge these men with murder. Now, these are my ideas. They constitute a part of myself. I cannot divest myself of them, nor would I if I could. And if you think that you can crush out these ideas that are gaining ground more and more every day, if you think you can crush them out by sending us to the gallows, if you would once more have people suffer the penalty of death because they have dared to tell the truth, and I defy you to show us where we have told a lie. I say if death is the penalty for proclaiming the truth, then I will proudly and defiantly pay the costly price. Call your hangmen. Truth crucified in Socrates, in Christ, in Giordano Bruno, in Huss, in Galileo still lives. They and others whose number is legion have preceded us on this path. We are ready to follow.